With hundreds of different uses in the household, apple cider vinegar can be listed as the most valuable item in your kitchen. It is extremely rich in enzymes and probiotics, and is made from apples which are left to ferment. Unpasteurized apple cider vinegar is made through a process similar to the one used for making other homemade fermented brews. 1. Disinfectant and bacteria killer. Hippocrates used vinegar to treat wounds over 2,000 years ago. It effectively destroys bacteria like E. coli and S. aureus and is a safe and natural disinfectant. 2. Apple cider vinegar can help type 2 diabetics improve insulin sensitivity. The American Diabetes Association conducted a study in 2004, where 3 groups of people, ones with type 2 diabetes and non-diabetics, were given a concoction of 20 grams apple cider vinegar, 40 grams of water, and a teaspoon of saccharin. After 2 minutes, they received a white bagel, orange juice, and butter. The findings showed that apple cider vinegar increased insulin sensitivity in insulin-resistant individuals by 34%, and by 19% in type 2 diabetics. 3. Rich in acetic acid. A Japanese study has found that acetic acid may help control blood pressure and fat accumulation. It is bacteria found in vinegar, which is actually a byproduct of the fermentation process, in the form of a non-toxic slime, or the mother. It is eliminated through a filtration process by numerous manufacturers, but if you want to reap all the benefits of apple cider vinegar, make sure you opt for the organic, raw, unfiltered variety. 4. Prevents the onset of diabetes by lowering postprandial glycemia. Postprandial glycemia refers to the elevated blood sugar levels that occur after a meal, which is often the reason why prediabetes progresses to type 2 diabetes. However, a study conducted at the Arizona University showed that the consumption of vinegar juice made of 20 grams of apple cider vinegar, 49 grams of water and 1 teaspoon of saccharin after a meal, bagel and orange juice, led to a 35% decrease in it. 5. Cancer-fighting properties. Cancer is the silent killer of the modern era, with millions of people suffering from it all around the world. However, researchers maintain that apple cider vinegar can at least shrink and destroy some types of cancer cells. 6. Lowers bad cholesterol and prevents cardiovascular disease. High cholesterol levels lead to heart ailments, and if bad cholesterol accumulates in the arteries, it causes cardiac arrest. The presence of chlorogenic acids lowers LDL or bad cholesterol, preventing it from accumulating and crystallizing in the bloodstream. 7. Reduces bacterial infections on teeth. Apple cider vinegar was found to reduce bacterial count from 100 teeth extracted through a root canal exposed to E. faecalis. 8. Sunburns and insect stings. Mix apple cider vinegar and water in equal amounts and apply the mixture to the sunburned areas to soothe the skin. You can also apply apple cider vinegar to pest stings to relieve the infected areas. 9. Dandruff. Apply a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar in equal amounts on the scalp, massage a bit, and leave to act for an hour or 2. Afterward, rinse and repeat twice a week. 10. Weight loss. Japanese scientists found that apple cider vinegar prevents the accumulation of body fat. Moreover, another study involved 175 obese but healthy people, divided into 2 groups, who ate a similar diet. Yet, some of them received apple cider vinegar, while the others drank water. After 12 weeks, the ones who had the vinegar lost an average of 1 to 2 pounds.